Need help with setting up a new device, resetting your Wi-Fi password, or turning on parental controls on Rogers Xfinity TV? Introducing Device Guides from Rogers. Our interactive device guides have you covered. Say goodbye to complicated manuals and say hello to easy-to-follow instructions, all at your own pace. Let's go. Head over to rogers.com/device guides to get started. You can search by device or just enter what you're looking for in the search bar. You'll get access to interactive guides, troubleshooting solutions, and tutorials to help you master the ins and outs of your device. Discover the power of device guides with Rogers. Upgrade your device experience today. Visit rogers.com/device guides or scan the QR code.